Hi everyone, this is Stacy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, I'm going to share to you yung 7 pieces ng cacti na nabili ko dito sa Novarly area. So, I bought a brain cactus, a cactus with a yellow spine, and this one I do not know the ID, another brain cactus, and a tall cactus with one pop on top. This one, I do not know the ID too. And another tall cactus with white spines. So, I bought each one of them for 60 pesos each. And ito naman yung pot na gagamitin natin for potting the cactuses. So, it's new. I bought it from Daiso Japan. The white pot cost 88 pesos or 98 pesos I think each. And the clay pot cost 2 pieces for 88 pesos. So, let's start potting it. First, let's put mesh tape dun sa clay pot kasi malaki yung butas niya para hindi maubos yung soil mix. You have to put mesh tape. Ganito yung magiging itsura niya pag naglagay kayo ng mesh tape. So, I will be using my used soil mixture. So, gamit na to kasi if you can remember, 2 basins of used soil mix yung nakuha ko for my succulent arrangement. And, syempre, gamitin natin yon. Huwag natin itapon. Linisan muna natin yung cacti bago natin ipot. Yung potting mix, katulad nung last time na nabili ko sa kanya, ang ginamit is alnos compost lang, wala talaga siyang pumice stone. So, I will trim the roots and then pot it. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na ako naglagay ng Osmocote. Bakit? Kasi no need na. As you can see, very healthy yung cactus. Hindi niya kailangan ng additional fertilizer. And besides, yung alnos compost itself na nakadikit pa dun sa roots niya is fertilizer na. So, organic fertilizer ang tawag doon, na yung mga compost or yung mga galing sa mga dried leaves yun, fertilizer na pag nade-decompose sila. And I will be using also Akadama soil as top dressing. So, yung Akadama soil will also add nutrients to the soil mix. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin. So, alam na alam nyo na, lalo na yung mga regular viewers ko, paano ko mag-pot ng mga cacti or succulents ko. So, enjoy watching while I'm potting all of them. Now we're finally done potting all of them. Let's have a final and closer look of each one of them. Enjoy watching! So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.